You can expect a lot from the 2020 Honda CR-V. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, lane departure warning, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.